y'all, this is the young buck I was telling you about as part of the new crew right here. His name is Noah. Noah, just say something to the people.
Hey, how are y'all doing? You know, it's a pleasure to be on the Quick Cutz crew. Loving the job. It's a pleasure being out here. Thankful for the opportunity.
Hey, notice that he's a gentleman. All day he got an old spirit on him. Now, how old are you, Noah?
I'm 18.
He's 18 years old, and putting in that work. You should have saw some of the work that he was doing. He said he loved the job. He said it's really not a job when you love what you do. I love to hear that. 18 years old, 18. So, man, well, hopefully, man, this could be some longevity for him and some memories. So we're gonna cut on. I want to also introduce you to our other real slick talker, Reggie. All right, fam, here's my other slick talker, Reggie. Reggie, tell them a little something about yourself.
Hey, me, 34 years old. I just was working, man. I here getting it in, trying to do everybody else correct, properly. I ain't following simple instructions, man. Know your job, know your route and everything, man. Simple as that.
He said follow simple instructions. I love that. I love that. And he's another guy who actually has 2 jobs. This is his 2nd job, and we really appreciate all the hard work he put in. And you know, my brother, Crew Chief Mo, a man of many words. This is Crew Chief Mo, man of many words. He got the what's the green one on Mortal Kombat? I don't know, serpent. I don't know. Well, we don't want him to be a serpent.
Nah, he can be Scorpion.
Yeah. He got that scorpion with the mask. Get over here. And he said that to the grass. All right, man. They about to cut on.